Hi, and welcome. This core exercise is all about body rotation and proper coordination, essential skills for mastering front crawl breathing. Here's how it works. The child pushes off the pool wall and swims 3 strokes of freestyle, then smoothly transitions into 3 strokes of back crawl. They keep switching like this for at least 15 yards. Breathing happens only while on the back. We introduced this exercise before learning full freestyle, because breathing often is the biggest challenge for kids. By practicing rotation in a controlled way, they build the right coordination early on. The key to getting this right is timing. The child should rotate around their body's long axis immediately after the 3rd freestyle stroke enters the water. This rotation naturally turns the freestyle arm into a backstroke arm. After 3 strokes with their head underwater, they take a breath just as they begin turning onto their back. This helps them practice the right way to breathe in freestyle. As soon as the hand enters the water, the shoulder rotates slightly, setting up the breath. The full back rotation in this drill makes the movement feel more natural compared to standard freestyle. For more exercises, a structured 10-week plan, and expert tips on teaching your child how to swim, visit swimy.org. There, you will find step-by-step routines, skill-building drills, and solutions for common challenges. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.